Now let's begin with comparison operator. The first comparison operator is equal to. The way to denote it is double equal to sign. This is useful if you want to compare values of two objects, whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, the output would be true. If they are not equal, the output would be false. So let's say if we are comparing 2 equal 3. Now since they are not equal, the value should be false. But if you would have given 2 equal 2, the value would have been true. Similarly, not equal to is opposite of the equal to. It gives false if both the values are equal, and it gives true if the values are not equal. So if you will compare 2 and not equal to 3, then the output would be true. But if you will compare 2 not equal to 2, then the output would be false. Next comparison operator is greater than. That means if the left hand side operand is greater than the right hand side, then the value would be true. Less than is just opposite. So on the left hand side, if the value is less than the right hand side, then the value would be true. Less than equal to considers both if the left hand side value is less than or if it is equal to. So that means it will check on both the conditions. If it is less than, even then it will give true, or if it is equal, then also it will give the true value. The greater than is just opposite of that, where the left hand side value should either be greater than or it could be equal to the right hand side value. So in this case, because both the values are equal, we'll get true. Also, if we would have converted right hand side to any value lesser than the left hand side, the value would have been true. You can also use the comparison operator to compare two values storing value none. For example, if we have two values, say a is equal to none and then say b is equal to none, then you can also compare them using equal to operator. Is both the values hold none, that's why the value returned is true. Now let's do a quick check. Suppose we type something like print and 6 not equal 6 minus 1. What do you think would be the value here? So left hand side we have a value 6 and on the right hand side the value would be 5. 6 not equal to 5, right? So the value would be true. Now let's move on to the arithmetic operators.